Hi everyone, it's Steve. I want to introduce something new and exciting for this season of the AI Beginner Podcast. Throughout the season, I'm going to be sprinkling in short chapters from my audiobook, AI Made Simple, The Beginner's Guide to Artificial Intelligence, Revision 3. This audiobook was created to help absolute beginners understand AI in plain English, without the jargon or the overwhelm. And I think it fits perfectly with what this podcast is all about. This audiobook covers everything from the basics to everyday uses of AI, and it's designed to help you build confidence one simple idea at a time. You'll hear a brief and painless history of how we got here and clear explanations of what AI actually is. We explore the invisible AI around you, the modern tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and Midjourney, and how to talk to AI using simple prompting techniques. There are chapters on using AI at work and in your personal life, the big question of whether AI will take your job, how to team up with AI as a collaborator, and even a chapter focused on creativity and curiosity. We also talk about ethics, accuracy, and privacy, plus a look into the future of AI. And at the end, there's a simple 7-day beginner plan you can try right away. Every few episodes, I'll share one of these chapters as a bonus lesson inside the podcast feed. So you'll still get our regular episodes with listener questions, AI hot tips, and optimistic thoughts. And you'll also get these short audiobook chapters that you can listen to anytime. If you enjoy the chapters and want the full audiobook, you can get it inside the AI Beginner Academy at learnedaibeginner.net. No pressure, just a helpful resource if you want to go deeper. All right, that's the update. I'm excited to share these with you. I think you're really going to enjoy them.